Jack, I want to begin with you. You're obviously being targeted. Who is behind this latest attack?
Yeah, this time, Laura, I really feel like I'm being harassed. I've been sued by the state twice now, and they've lost both times. And the attorney that instigated the second lawsuit against me is now taking it to sue me personally, and this time asking for damages and legal fees, which would lead me to bankruptcy and ruin my company.
Yeah, now, Jeremy, hasn't this person harassed Jack over email as well? And again, this is now wanting a cake to celebrate gender transition. I mean, what does that cake look like? I'm not
I mean,
that.
Certainly it's very unfortunate to see the kind of emails that were sent to Jack, but we can't forget the state's role in this too. The state, in its open hostility to Jack, has clearly created a lack of tolerance for people like him. And now we see private individuals stepping into the shoes of the state and trying to do to Jack what the state couldn't do.
And the Supreme Court said you cannot target people and offend their religious sensibilities in the way that they were trying to do when the first go-around when it came to the cake for the same-sex wedding.
That's right. You know, the Supreme Court said this kind of open hostility to religion has no place in our society. And Colorado and now its citizens didn't get the message.
Yeah, and Jack, Governor Jared Polis, leftist, of course, governor of the state of Colorado, was ultimately, had to pull back this lawsuit. But basically saying the private individual involved, well, that person can go on and sue you, and that's what's happened here. Are you an object lesson for the whole country that if you dare to stand up for your own religious beliefs, you will be tarred, you will be demeaned, and frankly, yourself dehumanized, and they've really hurt you financially, really hurt you?
Yeah, they really have. The state took away 40% of my business, which was my wedding business, the first go-around. And the thing is, I serve everybody who comes in my shop. I welcome everybody, and I'd be glad to create cakes for anybody that comes in. But I don't create every cake and every message that people ask me to in a cake. So.
And Jeremy, this Gardenia person, this is a mission. I mean, this is a mission to send a message. Don't you dare demand equal access to express your views, because our views and our beliefs trump yours. You're a bigot. That's the message. Any Christian conservative who thinks like Jack thinks is a bigot. That's what they want to say.
The goal is to silence Jack, to banish him from public life, to financially ruin him, and to send a message of intimidation to people who share Jack's beliefs, that they have no place in public life, have no right to earn a livelihood, and follow the religious convictions simultaneously.
Jack, the attorney for the plaintiff here, is saying this is about honoring the dignity of individuals transitioning, and that has to be honored across the board, regardless of your particular conscience or religious beliefs. Your reaction? Are you dishonoring people's dignity?
Well, in this case, the cake that we were asked to create was a cake that was blue on the outside and pink on the inside, and the colors were specific to celebrate that transition. And while I'd be glad to serve transgenders or gays or anybody, I just can't create every cake that I'm asked to create. And in this case, this was a message that I couldn't create, and we tried to convey that to this individual. We'll serve you in any other capacity, but this is a cake. We will serve you. We serve everybody.
Yeah, they serve everyone, and they're still targets. This is ongoing harassment. We'll continue to cover it. Both of you, thank you for being here.